Energy content in the three states of matter. Many substances can exist as more than one state. For example, water can exist as a solid, ice, a liquid, liquid water, and a gas, water vapor. The difference between these states is the amount of energy. Solids have the least amount of energy. These particles have very tightly together. Liquids have more energy than solids, so they can take the shape of the container. Gases have more energy than liquids, so their particles spread out to fill the entire space of the container. Gas particles have so much energy that they can just not keep still. They fly around in all directions. Change of state in matter using kinetic theory. The kinetic theory of matter is also useful for explaining why substances can change state under certain conditions. You know that water can be solid, liquid, or gas. But how does this happen? A phase change occurs when energy is added to or taken away from matter, usually in the form of heat. Vaporization or boiling. The change from liquid to gas phase on heating at a constant temperature is called vaporization. The particular temperature at which vaporization occurs is called the boiling point of the liquid. Melting and fusion. The change from solid to liquid state is called melting. The process takes place at a constant temperature when heat is applied. The reverse change from liquid to solid is called fusion. This process takes place when heat is rejected at constant temperature. Example: 0 degrees Celsius ice, 0 degrees Celsius water. Melting, absorption of heat. Rejection of heat, fusion. The constant temperature at which a solid changes to liquid is called melting point. The constant temperature at which liquid freezes to solid is called freezing point. Evaporation. It is a type of vaporization of a liquid that occurs from the surface of a liquid into a gaseous phase that is not saturated with the evaporation substance. In this, a liquid becomes a gas without forming bubbles inside the liquid volume. Condensation. The change from vapor to liquid phase on cooling at a constant temperature is called condensation or liquefaction. The temperature at which condensation occurs is called the condensation point of vapor. Example: 100 degrees Celsius water, 100 degrees Celsius steam. Boiling, absorption of heat. Rejection of heat, condensation. Sublimation. The change from solid to gas is called sublimation. Solidification or deposition. The change from gas to solid is called solidification or deposition. Example: in sub-freezing air, water vapor changes directly to ice without first blowing a liquid. Change of state diagram. Energy input, temperature, solid, freezing, condensation, gas, liquid. Phase change, melting. Phase change, vaporization.